Hey everyone, it's Shane. Go Jags. Hey, it's the week before Christmas. It's actually Christmas is in Christmas is in 3 days. So of course my Facebook and Instagram feed was flooded with product advertisements, one of which was for Wolfbox. This little guy caught my attention because it is a combination Jumpstart pack and air compressor all in one. So this is not a paid promotion. This is not an ad by any means. This is something that I wasn't sure if I was going to share, but after using this thing a couple times, I wanted to give an honest review, honest opinion on it. For any of you that may be on the fence or have seen this come across your feeds as well, and you're looking for something similar, I just want to give an honest review and hopefully enjoy it. And if you have any questions, drop those down in the comments, and I will try to answer those as best I can. So with it being winter, you know, those air pressures go down in your tires. So I thought, what the heck? For those Black Friday deals, Black Friday specials, this thing I think is normally $149, $150. I got it for $99 on Amazon, so I couldn't pass up the deal, especially since I do not have a portable air compressor. I have a traditional plug-in air compressor. I love it, works great, it's just not mobile. And with some of our family travels, you just don't want to be stuck in a parking lot or somewhere unfamiliar that you have to rely on a stranger or somebody to give you a jump start. So I thought for $100, why not give it a try? So one of the reasons why I thought this was a cool set was it is a jump start and an air compressor in one. With this being so highly promoted on Instagram and Facebook, I wasn't sure what I would be getting as far as quality goes. Unboxing was really impressed. The quality, the packaging here is 10 out of 10. My only complaint with the packaging is when you open it, I wish this was a zipper pouch. I mean, I guess you could open it from the bottom side and not have spillage, but yeah, every time I open it, the contents of this pouch, you know, the jumper cables, the hose, everything comes spilling out. It's a little bit clumsy, but I guess for the sake of the utility of this thing, not an issue. Jumper cables seem really high quality. Have not used these yet, hopefully don't need to use them, but I think it's safe to say as well as this performs inflating tires, these will do just fine. The hose again is great. As soon as you hook it up to the valve stem, you get your PSI reading, which is awesome. Just laying everything out right here. Here's everything that you get in the box. Charging cable as well, you just plug that into the wall. I did put a full charge on it when I got it. It was about half full unboxing, and it maybe took 3 hours to get to a full charge. So something that you periodically want to charge up, especially if you know you are going to be needing this unit, but seems like it holds a pretty good charge. So just for reference, I filled up my wife's 4 tires on her car. I just filled up my 4 tires on the Crosstrek. So this did sit outside for a little while. And as you can see, we still have half battery left. This holds a really good charge. I mean, you can inflate 2 vehicles, if not more, with a full charge. Again, as a dad, having kids, blowing up balls can be a chore, and this will become a whole lot easier. All right, so let's take a closer look at this. So you have PSI, you have a couple different modes as far as that goes. You have your increase and decrease PSI next to the power switches. You also have different modes. So this is pretty cool. There's bike tires. Let's see, sports balls. Again, you can also use this to jump cars with the jumper cable. And the other pretty cool thing I thought was it has a flashlight on this thing. So hit the flashlight and man, that thing is bright. Also has another function, I guess, maybe if you're all alongside the road or something, make yourself a little bit more visible. But yeah, this thing is pretty sweet. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Quick little tutorial of the Wolfbox. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop those questions down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. See you.